Okay, so right now we're doing this conversion here, and this is 1 1/8 threaded. And once we take it apart, we're going to be putting in the new shaft. It's actually a threadless, so that's pretty good. Before. Okay, so that's before we change in. And this is the bike after we put the fork on. Well, features of this fork are that it has dual crowns, and it has a fixed dampening rate. Wow, can I really not do it right now? Jeez. Oh yeah, that worked. Oh, come on. You really gotta get on there, you know. Alrighty, so here we have the new Tingy. Wow. Come out of the box, buddy. Come out of the box. Oh, there's a water bottle and it's blue! Yes! okay, that's that. It's got the new fork next to the old fork here. And these are fundamentally different. You'd think that, well, usually this like horn spot for the brakes is at the front, in my experience, but it's gonna be in the back. So that's where the fender's gonna get onto now, instead of it being at the front. See here on the front, this geometry is only allowing it to be on the back. And not only that, this was the closest size I could find. So this is the height that it's gonna be at here. As you can see, it's gonna be just a little bit taller by about a centimeter or so. So that's not gonna be the end of the world on the angle. And we're also gonna have adjustment for that. So that's pretty good. Yeah, so before that fork goes on, this fork has to come off. So we're gonna take it apart. So we're gonna take everything apart actually, because this can't go back on, and it might be changing the handlebars too to get some chrome. Let's get some action. Getting this nasty stuff apart. What are the odds this nut comes free after how many years this thing's been around? No, pretty good, I guess. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this gets a little bit of a tap. This guy right here. Let's see if we can get that action shot. Oh wow, it went. Did I get? Oops. Did it just leave? Yeah. So that got freed up pretty fast, and the stem went down. Wow. Cameraman doing really bad today. Yeah. Wow. I'd have to set that back up, because that came out like nothing. Wow. Okay, so we definitely have to keep these green plastics. So I'm gonna have to unhook it from here. I'm gonna use it as like a spacer, I guess. Everything gonna move. Ah, there we go. Wasn't very tight. Cool. Hopefully I got. Okay, so here we have this. We loosened out the two bolts and take the little spacer off here at the top. Set that aside. And this comes off, and we should be able to see bearings. Oh, there's a little bit of grease. Wow. Shocking. A little bit of grease. What do we got here? Yeah, a little threaded bearing cap. Cool. I won't be able to use that again, but nice. Here's the big moment now. Cool. I'm gonna just drop that out. Oh, don't hit the ground. That wouldn't be so nice. There we go. And flare. One, two. Okay. So now, hopefully, fits. Where is it now? Here we have the new fork. And we're in business. So these are made out of chromoly. They are, I think that's 1/8 of an inch thick, and they line right up, just like that. So that's pretty good. Okay, so I got the headset off of old BMX, and it's orange, and I think it actually looks mental. And I'm digging the chrome handlebars. I don't know if I'm gonna go with these or the bunny ears that I have. Okay, so here are the two bearing races that will be sanded. Took all the paint off the top. Paint that's left on the inside, not a big deal, because we're not gonna be putting any bead there. And on the bike half, to make sure we get the same amount, we're gonna take the vernier caliper and we're going to scratch it like that, because it's good to know when to stop. So we're doing a 16 gauge with arc, so that's going to be B2. Let's set her down to B2 and hope for the best. I have the pipes all lined up here using the plier trick. You just squeeze and you roll until they're all centered up. I'm going to tack it and then take the thing apart. So there's no penetration, or not very much of it, so that's might get dialed up, we'll see. So that's going to be very nice, very nice. Oh, the logo's backwards, I forgot to fix that. Crap. Now we're back here because of we're done. The boogers are all over the place, and the logo is on backwards. The sticker didn't survive, and the computer ate a lot of spatter. So far so good. I love it. I love it. So I do want to get rid of some of these little extra bits. It's a little too much penetration, but otherwise looking pretty good. Because I want to get on with my day. I get the barbecue paint. I go and I hit it, and then between coats, you go and hit it with the fire inside the tube. Cook the paint right on. And then we can proceed with assembly. Make sure you get some paint on the inside too. Don't want it to rust on the inside, you know. Want it to be nice and cured in there, full of soot and stuff. And now let's get the bearing grease and start putting it together. You want to get this thing jam-packed. No room for dirt. No room for wear. There we go. And then you got the extra there, and you just rub it on the tube. Super duper. Okay, now I can start putting it together. Jeez, gross. Okay, so that's it right now. I'm kind of really liking the orange. I like this used orange headset for my BMX. It's great. It's great. Wow. These handlebars are just out of this world too. I'm loving them. This is gonna be a little machine. Oh, crap. I forgot to put that on. Okay. Jeez.